Yo, what's the vibe, YouTube? As y'all can see by the title down below, y'all know what we getting into today. Y'all know what kind of time we on. But before we get right into the video, as y'all can see, if you haven't seen already, I should say, I changed my name. I did a little rebranding. I changed my name from Eam to Yo Sean. A lot of people hitting me up, kind of shit, saying when they search Team, my channel won't pop up, all that crazy shit. So I changed it. My Instagram was Yo Sean anyways. My Twitter was Yo Sean. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm just, I made a transition. Like the name transition, name change, whatever. But I ain't gonna take all y'all time. If y'all haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with y'all friends and shit like that. But in today, I'm not gonna fully talk straight standard English. Y'all gonna hear patois, Jamaican, whatever y'all call it, but y'all probably hear most of that. But anyways, so how I lost my V card, or that sounds feminine. How did I lose my virginity? This was a wow back. I was living in Jamaica at the time. I don't remember if it was a Friday or it was a Saturday. I think more than likely a Saturday. But I used to go to my cousin's house, cousin them house, because they basically all lived on one street and they always hanging out at that one cousin house. Like everybody always up there. You see, I'm not going to disclose the location and shit like that, but just know say Kingston. You see, that them probably I watch this. I know what me I talk about. You see me, cause I'm big up on myself. Alright, so I think it was a Saturday. If I'm not wrong, I think it was a Saturday, and go around the beard and thing, and you see me fresh up and thing, and go around the road. Them live like about 5 minutes, 6 minutes walk. You see, bust a boom song, go around the dog, and man them there at the door, and what else they have vibe, and man them have them look a boom box and them phone and a play music, and just they all have vibe. You see, and down in the evening now, say about 4 or 5 o'clock, it was getting, sun is about to go down and shit. And I big cousin them, he know himself, he probably I want this to kind of subscribe. So he call up one B from down the road. We're not gonna call her name, we're gonna call her such girl. Alright? So when y'all hear me say such girl, I'm talking about her. For me? So he call her and she came up, but she how they did it was that she didn't come into contact with us at all, because neighbors are nosy and shit like that. So he called her up, and I'm telling you, it's like 6 of us, bro. So he called her, and she came up the street. She showered or whatever. Came up the street, and she just walked right past us and went inside. She already know what kind of time. When he called her, she already know what he called her for. You feel me? So she was like, I don't want to say the word, but I want y'all to know what I'm talking about. So it's like she was the community H word. You feel me? I ain't gonna say it, but she was the community, So she know what kind of time. So she came, she walked past everybody outside by the gate and shit. She went inside. You feel me? It was like I don't even want to give y'all too much details about how the place is set up. But just know there's a little box fence made out of wall and shit like that. But I'm gonna get to there. So she passed us, went inside the house. She already know where to go and shit like that. So then big cousin, it's only right he called her, so he had to go first and shit. So I knew what was going on, but I didn't think I was gonna get involved in shit. Feel me? So then went inside and shit like that, and he was doing the dirt, he was doing the nasty, whatever y'all want to call it, in the beat skin, you see. So then we all started, I know he was in there for a while, we all was outside of the gate. So we started make a look at time and come in, man them pass, 1-1, you see. I will go in at the house now, door lock, you see. They run at the back room and the dog got put in work, you see. So then now, it's like, him done, him come out, you see it. Him go all him see it, and you see me, all within the living room and the one room around us, so you see me. So then next dog go in, next cousin goes to boops and go in, and I was like fourth in line. Like, that sounds wild as hell, but I was like fourth in line, and the dog go in and do him thing, and come on, you see, then he's younger than me, but not that younger than me. You see, I'm like a year older, or a couple months older than him, something like that, or almost a year. So him go in you see it, and the dog put in work. You see me? Dog in there put in work. Cause them man used to it. That time my first time, and him there around there, and him live there. You see, so I simple thing that he can get matched up. I live around the road, you see me? We only used to come around there on Friday and Saturday daytime, come hang out to the dog them, you see me? Grow with them, you see me? You see the dog them show me how the streets go, cause them on the inner streets, you see me? Me never live around there, you see? I just used to go around there on Friday and Saturday daytime, you see me? So them on the inner streets. Me now go around there and them show me how the streets run, you see me? And really. So anyways, yeah, so the dog come out now, man, and say, yo, Ryan, your time. You see me? Y'all know the name him used to stem from Raheem. That's what they call me, like your nickname or some shit like that. But yeah, anyways. Someone say, yo, Raheem, it's your turn, whatever it is. I'm like, I bet. Gear up now in a dog. Ready up now. Yeah, my turn. Can't look me in my pocket and be things. You see me? You see? So it's like I'm readying up and shit. Like I got up and I'm like, it's my turn. You feel me? I was hyped at the point. I'm like, bro, in my head I'm about to lose my virginity. You feel me? They don't know if I'm a virgin or not. You feel me? I'm not gonna say, yo, cause me a virgin. No, nah. I'm going when they having the boys talking shit, I'm gonna be yeah. But in my head now, walking around there, I'm like, yeah, I'm about to beat some skin. You feel me? I'm about to get it right. I'm about to put in some work. In my head, I'm like, yeah, this is what I've been watching that big. You know what I'm talking about? I'll be watching that on the phone for, you feel me? Like, or on the TV and shit like that, you feel me? I was watching on the TV when my mom at home and shit like that. So I'm like, I know where to put it, this and that, third. Yeah, but I've never actually done it, but I got the mindset to know what I'm doing, you feel me? So I'm like, alright, bet. Yeah, so go some books now and go in the room and stay some, see the girl foot. The girl foot well skin out in her bed. She know what go on. She know what kind of timing. You see? So I go some books and flick off his shirt, dog. You see me? And I remember my cousin them say, yo, watch you know. I see the hole by your underpants, use it. The hole on your boxers, use it. That's what they put it there for. You know, you don't go completely naked. So I said, alright. Go some jail down my shorts and I say, yeah. Time to go to work. You see me? Go some take out the condom out of my pocket, you see it. And go some you know when you watching commercials, pinch living in Chain Road. So I'm like popping the wrapper and shit like that. Popping the wrapper and pulling it out. My boy already excited because I know what's, I know what's about to happen. So I'm already excited and shit. Like I'm already, you feel me? So I was about to roll on. Y'all go some bump some, grab the condom and see it. I should go some flash it out. The blood clot I go on. So she go some grab the condom and flash it out. You see it? I should go some jam in. So you see me? I go some chew it down on the boy. I go some jam in. Close and I said blood clot. Yes. I said, it dead now. Till I saw go some slide in. I said, kid, I didn't know. I was like 13. Yeah, I was like 12, 13. I didn't even know how to do all the shit I know how to do now. Like, isn't it whining our belly and then the whine? No, all I knew how to do was just, you feel me? So, that's all I did. I went in and I was like, I was just like, you feel me? One position. She was like this, then she turned around, she turned back way, and she grabbed it and she put it in. I did just the same shit. I know how to do that. Cause you know, niggas go to party on Dirty Friday. I don't know. Some of y'all know that huge party in Jamaica. We used to go to that party there, you see? So we know if it done a girl back way and everything there. You see me? But me never know if it, you see me? So me know if I do that. So me just do what me used to do at party. You see it? Just, you see me back? You see me? So then now, it's like Madonna and shit like that. And bro, I'm telling you, bro, it's showing me on fire. I didn't, my brain was like, the fuck did I just, I didn't even know I came, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna hold you, I didn't even know I came. I just feel like my body shaking. You feel me? I just feel my body shaking. I even know, like, what the fuck just happened? Like bro, what the, what? Feel me? I didn't even know what happened. All I knew, some shit came out. I felt good. You see me? Man, them I say, yo, next turn, you see it? Drop on my pants with the thing pan it here and where. Drop on my pants and go back out there. Me I go out there with my shirt in my hand, stay so brother swing so. Like, I don't remember my shirt right here. But I'm going outside with my shirt swinging in my hands like this, bro. Look a sweat I drop on shit like that. I put in work. You see it? In my mind now, nobody could talk to me. Nobody could talk to me. Nobody could tell me what to do, what to... Bro, I'm a man now. You feel me? Ain't nobody could say shit to me. Nigga, I just fuck somebody. Feel me? I just got some pussy. Ain't nobody could say shit to me right now. At this point, I'm grown. I'm a big man. Right? So, we'll go outside. Everybody got them turn on thing. And we all done. When it's time for her to leave, she ain't walk back through the front. She took the back fence. There was this concrete fence for me. All the way, it was like about this high. From the floor to about this high. It wasn't that high. You could climb over it. We just used to hop and sit on the fence and shit like that. She had to hop that fence, and behind that fence is Beer Bush. It's Kingston, but over there it's like a huge open land and ain't nobody got no just wild grass and shit growing in there, shit like that. Ain't nobody trying to cut it and shit, but there's walkways. You know, niggas be hopping the fence and shit like that. We in the ghetto, bro. We in the inner city ghetto, whatever y'all wanna call it. So, you know, niggas run through them shits. So there's a little paveway, little walkway, some type of shit right there. So she jump over that and she cut, and you see, she went her way, and we took like a cool 20 minutes. You feel me? Man, say, yeah. Right, every man good now? We are, yeah. Everybody good right now. We all straight, we all valid. Man, them load up at the boombox, them I would just take a look at time and go out the front to see it and play some tune. I would just did it. By the time we done, it was night, bro. People, neighbors passing, people come out. You got people like jerk chicken down the street. Go man up the street to cook some sweet potato and sawfish. You have the money, my jerk chicken neck around the corner around this. Bro, like in the ghetto you have, bro, there's everything at your disposal, bro. So yeah, basically I go buy chicken and go down at the I was gonna say it just now. If I said it, a lot of people would know exactly where. But yeah, go down at the villa. You see it? I'll go buy some food from one lady. You see it? Cook shop. Go buy some food from the cook shop in the villa. I'll come back up and out the door and yeah, mash up food and thing. But that was, bro, for the whole how the night when we reach home, boom, I could not sleep, bro. I was like, lay down and look up into the ceiling. I never had none of this, so I was just like rubbing skin. Like, bro, I'm a man. Yeah, what kind of time did you on? Bro, for that whole night, bro, I barely slept. I stayed up for the most part of the night, bro. I'm like, yeah, I got some pussy, bro. And my mind was like, bro, that damn condom stayed on there until I went home. The condom stayed on my dick. Can I say that word on YouTube? I don't blur it out. That condom stayed on me until I got home, bro. I didn't take it off. I had whatever was in there because I didn't know what it was. So that condom stayed on me until I got home. When I reached home, jammed my pants, took it off and threw it over my fence, brother. From me leave out of the room, I just jammed my pants. I never take it off. Out there with my cousin them the whole time this thing there upon the wood. Same way as I same way there upon the wood. Same way. Until I reach home the night when I came, I didn't even know what I was like. Bro, I was 13, bro. I didn't even know what I was. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. All I know, she grabbed me, she put it on, and until whatever happened, I didn't know what to do. I was shaking, bro. Like, I was shaking when I came. Now I know it's whatever, you feel me? But I'm saying when I came, it was like, I was shaking, bro. I didn't know what to do, bro. Then I just pulled my pants up, came out. I can't let them outside know that. Yeah. My camera battery died, so I'm sorry for that. I couldn't let the man them out the door know say, yo, you see me? Me don't know what I want. So I come back out and see it like me have big money in the business, like a long time me I do this. Nah, bro, I wasn't built like that, for real, for real. That was all a show. That was all a show. I like some know what me I do. You see? Anyway, that's how I lost it. At night I didn't sleep, bro. But that was it. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned. I have more coming. I have more story times coming. So y'all need to stay tuned. Turn that post notifications on. Smash that subscribe button if y'all haven't already. I appreciate y'all. Feel me? Fuck with the boy. Yeah, that's the end of my story time. How I lost my virginity. V card, whatever y'all want to call it. I don't want to say V card. That sounds feminine. If y'all are the Jamaican name who understand pattern and big up on yourself, respect for past you, respect for listening while I go on. Don't forget for subscribe too, as well, notification, and share the video. You see me? But no, my cousin them probably I watch this right now and I say, Lord Claude Jano. But yeah, that's just it, bro. I have more story times coming to y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.